Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to show you the new running boards we're going to put on our work truck. And this is a 2024 Super Duty Diesel XLT 4-wheel drive. It did not come with running boards, but we're going to put some on here. Okay, so the running boards we're going to put on, we found on Amazon. They were $168. They're YITA motor, Y-I-T-A motor. They're 6-inch running boards compatible with your 2015 through 25 F-150s, but what I have is a 2024. So for your Super Crew 2017 through 2024 F-250, 350, 450, 550 trucks. Okay, so we just bought this truck a couple weeks ago, and the running board option was $695 from Ford. And like I said, we got these for 180 something on the internet, but this is 29 inches from the ground up to here, so that's a long step. So you really got to have running boards on this thing. And let me show you what we're going to put on. Okay, these are the running boards. We wanted chrome and black accent because we couldn't figure out what we wanted. You can see the truck has chrome alloy aluminum wheels on it, but this is actually stainless, but got the nice traction steps here. What I like about this is these are filled in like on my other trucks. This is all stainless, 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 and it's very hard to clean. So this is all a solid plastic piece, so that'll be much nicer. But they look really nice. Let's show you a little bit about how they go on. All right, it comes with these three black brackets and nuts and washers. All right, now you're going to take one of these brackets and just stick it in here like this. And there's already factory bolts available on this truck, so we will just be using those. And there's three brackets. Okay, now you're going to have a number 13 socket and a little ratchet, and you're going to put those nuts on those bolts. Okay, next thing you're going to do is cut these brackets out that they give you. These are on the bottom of the running board, and you're going to need a number 12 socket. Okay, so we just laid this on here now, and what we measured is about 1.5 inches from the crack of this door to the board, 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches. Same thing back here, about 1.75 inches. So that's how we went left and right with it. Now we're going to bolt it down. Okay, now just put your bolt in there, get your number 12 socket, and bolt it up with your ratchet. Okay, and if you have a torque wrench, you're supposed to torque these to 15 pounds. Okay, so that side's done. You can see how nice these look. Really beautiful look. They match the black mold on the steps. They match the aluminum alloy in the back. And it lowered your step about 10 inches. So instead of you all the way up here to 29 inches, you're down here to about 19 inches. And you can get right in there easily. Just do the same thing on the other side, and you'll be all set. So that's just the first of our accessories from our video on our 2024 Ford Super Duty Diesel. We're going to have more accessories, more videos coming out. So if you like it, hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, we'll have more material for you soon.